What are we doing this morning, babies? Squeezing kumquats. Juju, show Mama how strong you are. Wow! Oh, very good, Drew. Danny, how strong are you? Show Mama. Very good. We're squeezing kumquats to make kumquat tea. Good job, Drew. Strong. Oh, very strong, Drew. What? We'll wipe up afterwards, okay, bub? Good job, Drew. Strong, Drew. Just a few more, love. That's it. Finish squeezing those, babe. Good job, Danny. Last one. Good job, Drew. Yeah, the kumquat tea is going to be ready after we boil the water, add some honey, and then we'll put the kumquats in. You hear the water boiling? Yeah, do you hear it? Yeah, the water's boiling, Drew. Good job. Thank you for your help this morning. Good squeezing. Danny, finish squeezing your tea. Here, kumquats. What happened? Did you drop one? You can go down and get it. Mama, wash your hands, okay?